there, welcome back to Hobbies and Stuff in the Shed. So, I have some really great news. Tonight, I am packaging up and shipping out my second large backpack. It's a really cool one. It is this thing, a turtle backpack. How cool is this, right? I'm going to put a link in the description to where I got the pattern for this bag from. And you can see, like, comparing this to my chest, like, this thing is, it's a really cool big size. So, the story behind this is back half a year ago now. I was at my local candy store, and I saw this really cool green wrinkly leather, and I fell in love with it. And I thought, you know what? I don't know exactly what I'm going to make with this thing, but I'm going to make something. And here we are. So this took about 2 months in order to make, and all done by hand, all hand stitched. I just love this thing. It's so exciting. Um, so if you ever do decide to do this pattern, my recommendations is to pay very special attention to the number of stitching holes on each single piece of this pattern, because so there's a gusset that goes around the middle here, and there is a different number of stitching holes on the shell side than on the belly side. I wound up having to tear this thing apart, I think, 3 times before I got the right sides straightened out. So pay attention. Don't be like me and just kind of think you can, sort it out by yourself. Sometimes the patterns make sense for a reason, right? So anyway, Emily has paid for this, so I'm shipping this off tonight, putting it into a box. And she also had commissioned me to make her one of these, a really cool handbag. So again, I'll put a link to the patterns in the description of the video. But what's really cool about this one is we've got ourselves our Crazy Horse utility brown leather here, and then when you open it up, so around the outside we have this autumn flavor of flower print leather, and then we have some orange Italian pebbled leather, and then when I put it all together, I made sure that the flower would stay all in the one place, so that way you can kind of see that the flower pattern is continuing there. I'm quite proud of this. And Emily, here's a few of my business cards. Feel free to pass them around to some of your friends. I'll just slip this right in here for you. There we go. So I'm really excited, because and actually I did not expect the shipping to be as cheap as it was. It was only $20 to ship both of these down to you, Emily. I was surprised. Honestly, I'm surprised that this is even going to fit in the box that I picked. So this is just, I had some soap delivered, the dish soap delivered earlier today. So I'm just going to reuse this Amazon box. So my box is free, paying less than 20 bucks for shipping, and Emily, I hope you are going to, I know you're going to really enjoy these. I also, for anyone who is curious, I've got a couple other of these patterns of handbags available that are already made, and I've already got an order for 2 more of these turtle bags, so look out for that in a future video series. But Emily, I'm just so excited to get to see you enjoy this thing. I know you're going to love it. So anyway, thank you very much, and safe travels.